My name is Sunil. I am from ESICMC Bangalore College, and my rank is 293, and All India PG, and my score was 655. I enrolled to DBMC live class in the month of March 2020. It was actually face-to-face class, but due to the COVID, it turned out to be online live classes. But it was a blessing actually because we could have studied in sitting in home comfortably. My preparation started in the month of actually March 23. Still, I remember the date. It was my first class was physiology, where we had one live class, Dr. Ashish sir class. It was a fantastic class, but due to the very next day, due to the COVID, there was the lockdown. So there was 1 week gap, and it turned out to be live classes, DBMC live classes. So I went to home after that, and I studied in home only for another 3 months. In home, actually, I was not that much comfortable because there was a net issue and there was not sufficient space to read for me. Somehow I managed to get off that first lockdown, and after the first lockdown, there was free. So I came back to Bangalore and started studying again. It was my second innings, I can say. From there, I did not look up back, and I studied completely, and I attended all the live classes irrespective of whatever it is happening. So I used to complete the live classes on that day itself, and read the notes next day only. And I used to solve the MCQs of that subject on that day itself. And I used to be very regular actually, and I started to take my GTs in the month of August actually. And initially my score was not that much, and I used to get around 5,000 rank. I started with 5,000 rank, and slowly I picked up because I completed more subject and I started revision. Our live classes was between 2 to 9, I can say 2 to 9, and morning we used to get time, and also in the night morning I used to complete the notes reading of the previous day, and a little bit time I used to give to see the what topics sir is going to cover on that day. Coming to my revision, I completed my one full reading in the month of August. By September, I started my revision, and before INSCT, I completed one revision, and I had given the INSCT exam, and my score was that time 2,245 actually. And yes, it was a bit of momentum gaining actually, because my previous score in the NEET PG was 64,000. From 64,000 to suddenly to pick up 10 to achieve in the 2,000 range, it was a boosting moral for me. And from there, I got to know that I have more capability than this. So I started, and I was preparing very well. And NEET PG actually was supposed to be held in the month of January. By that time, I had put my full energy and was in full high pace. But due to the COVID, the exam was got postponed. I was bit disappointed, but it's okay. Tamim sir and other faculty are motivated us to continue again the same pace. So I started with the same reading again. So it was a bit disappointed because I was dependent on my family. So I thought I'll work for 1 month, and I joined the private hospital in the month of May, where I did not study anything. But that was the grave mistake I did actually, to look of the money matter also. But once the date announced, INSCT July session, so again I came back from the hospital, and I started reading again, and my score in the INSCT was 1.6k actually. And yeah, it was a good improvement actually compared to 2,200 to 1,600. But I was disappointed because in the all GTs, whatever I had given the GTs, the score was between the 200 to 300 actually. It used to be always less than 500. But to get 1,600 in the main, I did not perform well, and I did not manage anxiety also previous day well. Somehow it was I took it as another opportunity, and God gives me another opportunity. So I started preparing again, and this was my final attempt, because there was a pressure from my family also, because I almost took 15 months and I was not clearing 2 exams. I did not clear INSCT, it was 2,200. I did not clear INSCT July session, it was 1,600. So there was a bit of pressure, and this I knew it, my capability is still high because I was doing very well and in the GTs. So I started again, and yeah, finally I scored finally I scored 293, and I was very happy, and my parents were happy, and even my village also happy. I thank DBMC faculties because without them I couldn't have achieved this. My special thanks to my legend Tamim sir. I joined DBMC because of presence of Dr. Tamim. I like to thank all faculties were gem actually. All faculties are brilliant, and I like to thank all technician team also because they were very cooperative. And one thing I want to tell to juniors is whatever the notes you make, that should be the final. You should not look here and there, one source another. You should not compare this teacher is teaching best, that teacher is teaching like that. One subject, one teacher only. You should believe that teacher, and whatever it teaches, it will be always 100%. Be stick to one notes actually, and revise that notes many times again and again, because once you revise, topics goes into the your subconscious, and it will be very strong actually, and give regular GTs. If you are studying for say some 10 hours, 60% should be reading and 40% should be solving MCQs. And one advice I want to give to juniors is one day also should not waste without reading something. You should read on something you should solve, because reading and solving MCQ is both important. Only reading notes is not important, and only solving MCQ is not important. It should go both hand in hand. It should be 60%, 40%, or you can say 50-50, or it can be 70-30. It all depends on you, how much you want to read and how much you want to solve MCQs. Some say you can solve per day around 100, per day 200, per day 200, but I believe in hours actually than the number of questions. So I used to solve around 3 to 4 hours MCQs per day actually. And solving MCQs is very important, because whatever you read, that will be just like memory based, but to apply the knowledge whatever you gain from the notes, it puts into MCQ solving actually main. I started revision actually in the month of after INST. Again I started revision for NEET PG, and initially I used to take revision around 45 days. My first revision was around 45 days. Subsequently, because of repeated revision, I kept on reducing subject durations. So, and finally, I used to revise all the 19 subjects in the 23 days itself. So, almost I have done around 5 to 6 revisions. And the number of revisions doesn't matter actually. What matters is what you have gained from the notes. You should put that knowledge into the solving MCQs. You should practice MCQs. And yeah, in the coming to the very important is the previous day of the exam, because I lost INICT because of I could not manage my anxiety on the previous day. You should be very cool. Yeah, it's very easily saying, but you have to manage it. Don't read anything new stuff, anything. Just see the previous year's questions, previous year's topics. You will be doing very well. And I wish each everyone all the best, and you will do well.